Hi everyone, Chris Coughlin here, EKU program for safety, occupational safety program for the last 2 years. Looking forward to my future in safety. Over the last 3 years, I've been a sales director for a safety and compliance software company, working on the front line with safety professionals and safety teams, foremen, superintendents, and laborers. I found this week's assignments pretty valuable and found a lot of relation to the reading. Found a lot of synergy in regards to how we communicate on an intimate level as well as influential levels based on the reading. The assignment via SWOT, my reflection is in regards to weaknesses. I found my personal challenges is conveying the weaknesses and finding the weaknesses. I found that one of my weaknesses is development and writing of safety policies, programs, and procedures. It took me a while to come up with that, but that's what I feel my weakness is. Now that can obviously change, and with any weakness, if you identify it, assess it, and manage it, it can be changed and turned into a strength, or something other than a weakness. I found this template very valuable in respect to the interviewing process in past roles when I was in sales management, not safety management, sales management. I found interviewing candidates a lot of relation to these core values, and I found reaction times are a key. When I was interviewed for my first corporate sales position, one of the hiring managers, I asked him, "Why did you hire me?" And he said, "Your reaction time. I asked you a question, and your reaction time was immediate, and that's what I was looking for." I found it very valuable to me in regards to how I've interviewed in the past and how I interview people, because when you ask someone their strength and they stutter to give you a strength, or they pause or delay, and or even a weakness, it puts up a flag. And in any respect, the reflection to this SWOT analysis, I find this assessment very valuable to the interviewing and or interviewee process. You guys have a great day, and I look forward to watching your videos, responding, and getting to know each and all of you. I'll talk to you soon.